Thank you for choosing the APEX AB28 wheel balancer. In this video, we'll walk you through the proper unboxing and setup of your new wheel balancer. With 2 people, carefully lift the wooden crate off the base to begin unboxing. Remove all packaging materials, including any protective shrink wrap, from the machine prior to operation. Place all centering cones onto the designated cone storage rack located on the left side of the wheel balancer. Install the wheel balancer shaft, making sure it is fully seated and aligned for proper operation. Attach the spacer ring to the wheel balancer shaft using the supplied screws, tightening securely. Slide the pressure cup onto the wheel balancer shaft, then install the quick-release clamping nut and secure it in place. With installation complete and all components secured, the machine is now ready for use. Learn more about APEX at BendPak.com.